stand up. Move.
All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and it everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be Ambra's party, Allah lies, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today, international and national news is brought to you by Tejavardhan from Great and Jasper. International news. United States Food Agency passes delivery to the north of Gaza. National news. Maharashtra Assembly passes Maratha quota bill for reservation in education and jobs. Thank you.
And today's state and sport news is brought to you by N. Venkakrishna from Great and Jasper. State news. BJP Vijay Sankalpa Yatra across Telangana today. Sports news. No Bumrah for the Ranchi test. Will India vote for their turn? Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Vikas. I am from Great and Jasper. Today weather report is maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Bilan Kumar of Great and Jasper. Today's thought. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you will start having positive results. I repeat once again. If you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you will start having positive results. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today what is brought to you by KJ1 of Great and Jasper. What? Replace. It is a word. It means take the place of. Students, please spell after me. Replace. 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 Thank you.
Not body movement.
very close to making cancer vaccines. National news. PM Modi should speak to three union ministers to revise demands about farmers' protest. Thank you. Have a great day. Today's brought to you by Ritika from Vega Forum. Stay here. Yes, sure. Happy morning, everyone. Today thought is brought to you by Jasnavi from grade 1. Thought. Attitude is the happiness. Thank you. My name is Vaishnavi. I am from grade 1 Koral. Today weather report is minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Sun. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Today, Amazing Facts are brought to you by Puri from Solar and Amazing Facts. Standard fact number 1. Standard red walk and bad walk. Fact number 2. Earth and cow sleep standing up. Fact number 3. The food the woman bread food 26 more. Thank you. Have a wonderful weather day. Happy morning, everyone. I am Jaitik from Great and College. Here I came for test your general knowledge. Question for grade 1. What is our national fruit? Sorry, you didn't pick the. Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is mango. Let us appreciate that. Question for grade 2. How many sensors are in our body? 5. Yes, we picked the correct answer and the answer is 5. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 3. Which sensor can pulse blood in our body? I repeat my question. Which sensor can pulse blood in our body? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is heart. Let us appreciate them. Question for